Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs. Welcome to Mornings with GraCee. So here's a quick video on how to get your free subscription to the designs for the We Are Memory Keepers Printmaker. So I received a comment regarding the printer's free subscription. As you can see, normally it's $29.99, but I'm going to show you how to get it for free for 1 year. Take note that one of the collections has the price on it. There is a code that comes with your instructions, and I'm going to show you how to set that up today. Now we'll go to the app on your phone, press the home button, go to store, type in the code that's on the paper, and then when you finish typing in the code, check product code, and it says subscription activated. Hit OK. Then go out of the application or close the app and then go back in, and it should work. And at the top it'll say subscriber. As you can see, there's no more prices. All these packages are ready to download, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mornings with GraCee.